Hello guys, dito kalaro ko ng isang pamangkin. Ngayon ko lang siya nakalaro dito. Okay lang yan, pero maganda, mataas. Pangalan niya Illusion, pero ang pangalan niya dito is Lucky. Tinasang ko na. Pag nalaglag pa.
I'm starting to think that he knows that I'm a YouTuber.
Papunta lang kasi alam ka ng gown mo.
Gumihan sa kalsada yun.
Nice entrance. What a neat base.
Tiglan.
Sige, maglagay ka ng light dito para maliwanag.
Malapit ko na mag-grab yung
Muntik na ang malaglag.
Tulog si JJ.
And pick a beat down. I've decided to help her collect toys.
Sana walang manira. Tapos malapit tayo sa food. Saka malapit tayo dito sa food no, Lucian. No, Shan?
Yes?
Malapit tayo sa food.
Ha?
Malapit tayo sa food.
Wood?
Oo.
Opo. Nakakita ako. Malapit din tayo sa mga statue sa taas. Rhea, lakihan pa natin yung laki. Nadami ka. May food din dito. Mayroon na dito.
Guess I'm lucky enough to shake off the employees earlier. It's still far from morning. We need to find some toys. They managed to catch up.
Close ko yung kami ng kasya para kung may makakyan ng SCP, hindi siya makakapasok sa base.
Rhea, kailangan ko ng drink.
Wait lang, bibigay ko sa'yo.
Saan mo lalagay?
Dito sa taas.
Ayun po.
I can't seem to find
Sa
any
taas na lang, kuha tayo
playgrounds.
stante. Bababa kayo food dito ba?
This player is in trouble.
Okay, lalagay ko din dyan yung bilang. Ito natin lagay.
Ayusin na lang natin mamaya.
This toy.
Okay.
I hope that collector will be
Kuha tayo ng lalagyanan.
After ng birthday mo.
Dami ng mga medikits.
Siyempre, baka mamaya
Kasi gagamitin pa ba yun?
mabal tayo ng SCP.
Yan ang mga guys na October birthday.
Season natin.
God's birthday. Medyo matagal pa rin. Susunod buwan. September na pala ngayon. Susunod buwan siya na.
Baka mahulog tayo dito.
Susunod buwan.
Lalagyan natin yan.
Hindi pa kinabukasan. Isang buwan pa.
Ang ladder.
Oo, para ano.
Kuha lang.
Isang buwan. Yan o. Susunod buwan. After na tumuwan na yan yung mga days na yan.
Kuha ko ng food.
Kaya naman siya. Susunod. Nalipat na yung page. Okay, number 9 eh. Lahat pa.
Wala akong mahanap na food.
Madami ng food dito. Ayusin na lang muna natin yung base natin.
Yung matulog pa.
zero, so we will only watch
Nakapagbigay din yan ng energy.
3 times 1. Okay.
I see the corner and the memories that haunts me.
3, 1.
So I have decided to take this matter into my own hands. I will personally build a wall so high that Even the Blood Knight employees cannot jump over it. Who needs a roof if you have a big wall? Night one, so there are now 2 employees lurking around. IKEA is pretty big, so I think wandering at night shouldn't be a problem for now.
Ganun daw ni Rhea kapag night 2 employees lang.
Hmm.
If they decide to
Kaya pala
attack
hindi
again,
tayo nakakakita ng employee.
Tsaka malayo tayo eh.
Kapag na-whistle ako,
Oh, yun. Tsaka sila lalapit.
Ganun yun. Hindi makita sa ilalim yung ano? Hindi makita sa ilalim?
Alin?
Kasi yung araw niya may puso ilalim eh.
magpakalapit natin din ng Rhea,
since our
malapit
walls
tayo.
now give us a little bit of protection, we can now gather materials for
Pwede ko na
furniture supply.
ayusin.
Just
Oo,
sort it out
sige.
in the morning. Once we are done building the wall,
Ano,
I
bakit
plan to
ano?
Para
collect the
kapag
toys
may
and
tao,
serve
kala
them
nila
to
walang
my friends and
tayo.
others. There's this feeling. It is kinda starting to feel lonely. I haven't seen any life forms around.
Ayun na.
This
Morning na.
Sila si ate niya.
Maggumawa ka din ng wall
Oo, lalagyan ko ng wall yan.
sometimes we really do
para
miss the
kapag
chaos,
lumalak
not
ka
because how hard it is, but how it makes us
baka
feel.
gawin kasi nila ano eh.
Pwede ta.
Ah,
Yung employee kunyari nandito sila. Tumalon sila ng mataas.
lalagyan, nilitan ko yung daan, tapos lalagyan natin ng bubong niya.
Oo, parang kapag nakasali talaga sila above it.
Well, maybe I'm just overthinking.
Dapat ma-high kasi magagamit
Not sure
sila.
how to react on that, but at least we're
Hala,
on this
ako
side.
tinanggal.
Now this side.
Di ko alam, wala akong memories eh.
Oh! Ano ba?
Ayun ko naman yung ano, yung kit. Ayusin ko ah. Ayusin mo na lang, okay na muna yan.
Lapit na ako ng Rhea.
Gamitin mo na yung medkit.
Okay, ginamit ko ng medikit. Baka yung mga ibang tao, gawin mo yung sa akin at sa'yo. Diba?
Wala pa naman tao eh.
Walang tao. Ang dami nila pero di tayo.
Malayo kasi tayo, halos dulo na to eh.
Yun!
Ayan!
Una nga nag-ano eh.
Ay, nakatuwa!
Hindi yun yun! Kasi iba, yan oh. Oh. Unahan pa ako kung nakakala.
What if this player breaks our base?
Yan, yan na.
Well, maybe I'm just overthinking.
Ay, kwento niya.
Not sure how to react on that, but at least we are now on this side of the wall. Now this side.
Rhea, can I have slushy?
Oo, tapos hanap ka ng lalagyan ng mga slashy mo.
The employee is getting tired. How far are we from the base? We will be needing more light to lighten up our base. I should prioritize upgrading this wall today. Just a few more.
Ilang araw ba yan, Rhea?
Ha?
Ilang araw?
Hanggang kailan mo gusto?
And then again, I will be sorting out in the morning. The wall is complete, so this place is a safe haven now. And I also invited some of my friends to join us. Yo,
Oh, may NPD! May NPD!
so close.
Wala yan eh, man yung magpapatay.
Bakit sa amin ni Elise?
Baka foggy nun. Pag foggy kasi nagpapatay din sila eh.
Okay. Kasi inatake
Sabi natin yung Naila. Happy birthday,
A new
Ian.
player has arrived.
In-invite ko pa sila.
Time to add some lights to the base to keep it too gloomy.
Sana nga sa doon!
Sabi natin ka ni Naila.
Rhea,
Then the player will focus on placing the toy. Since more players are leaving, I should look for more food. We'll find more food. I wonder how many toys we'll be able to collect. I know that this adventure will not be easy as we can only bring
Lalaparan pa natin yan.
Tuloy na tayo, hindi na.
Make your own base size.
Hahabaan pa natin.
Birthday ko ba?
Business. As we can see, I've already found some playgrounds while looking for materials and supplies.
Ano ngayon kapatawa ko?
That will not stop us from reaching our
Gusto ko magkakapat ano ka, gili ka ba? Ano ka ba?
Kuya, energy.
Hanap tayo food. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang ito.
What's up, guys? It is sad that sometimes for inevitable reasons our game doesn't go the way we want it to be. But that's okay as long
Dami kong tubig na nakuha. Ano mo ginagamit?
Uy! Nag-reset! Ni Rhea nag-reset!
Ayun pala eh. Kunin mo na ulit.
Ibig sabihin, dito na lang tayo mag-live.
Oo, mag-ito na lang.
Nag-reset.
Para malapit nga lang tayo sa food.
finding other stuff.
Okay lang kapag may tao, di ba?
Basta di maninira.
I wouldn't want this to happen outside.
Oh, full na ako. Ang bilis.
Alright, I thought my BFF is doing a great job scouting around for food. We managed to get
Ano yung bahay natin?
bringing this clever home.
Dito yung soft drink sa likod. Ito ko na.
This sometimes are too large to be in the
Ayun na nag-reset din. Ito din malakas
just
eh.
had a different type of shelf with bigger toys.
Ha?
Yung Coke in can.
Oo. Yun yung malakas na energy pero damage.
Hindi ito yung nakaka-damage. Yung nakabote na matakas.
Dami nating food.
Ito yung nakaka-damage o yung Coke na yan.
Oo, ayun. Sabi ko, anong cook na sinasabi?
Ito oh. Nasa, ayun na.
Oh, bumalik ka na.
Katie Hay.
Di pa nga ayos yung bahay natin.
Katie Hay.
In our base, 1,000 plus studs there. Oh no, I hope everyone is okay. Oh, yeah, okay, I'm stuck. This is what I get for making a dramatic entrance. Oh, you got it. I saw Trophy's chat, but when I saw her wall partially destroyed, I had to get
Kukuha ko ng Coca-Cola. Pwede naman hindi natin
She's not gonna die now for sure. But seeing how things are, that was really close. Our base has a lot of
Ito hindi gumagalaw eh. Kapag ka ano.
well, we better
Hindi
start
naman sila
running.
nananakit eh.
At this point,
Oh, pag nagainte.
Wala pa.
okay, full na yung inventory ko. Tingnan mo! Look how many.
Iya, makakuha mo ano.
Baka kainin natin mga plain
Wala.
food natin.
Sige, wala pa naman tayong kasama.
plus studs.
Kain eh.
Good thing we're all inside the base when IKEA closed. Our toy collection is starting to
So,
look
ayun.
great.
Pag nag-live to resort, makakita na itong base namin kasi kunting ayos lang.
Bili mo sila dyan.
Huwag ka matulog.
Yo,
Happy birthday, AM.
1,500.
Tayo ka lang dyan, Tushan.
I sure missed the whole thing.
Tayo ka lang. Tayo ka lang dyan. Pipicture ako eh. Dyan, sa
A
yan.
mini base inside. And now where's that employee?
Okay na. Lalagay ko sa ano eh, YouTube eh.
Picturean mo dito, baby.
Alin? Ayun nga.
That's kind of
Oh, wait, wait. 1, 2, 3.
well, he left, so that was nice of him.
Okay, yun yung ilalagay ko doon.
Oh my gosh, ang dami nating food.
Dami namin food.
Kumuha tayo ng connection ng flash.